Hi friends, welcome to CodeBode. So we have seen variables in Java in the previous videos. In this video, we'll study about constants, something which is opposite to variables. So let's get started. So this is our Eclipse IDE, and before moving to constants, let's revise variables first. So variables are something whose value can vary throughout the program. For example, when I say int number equal to 3, here I have declared and defined a variable. And if I want to change the value of number, let's say suppose to 4, or if I want to do number equal to number plus 4, I can do it. So the value of number can change. But sometimes we need numbers or strings whose value we don't want to change throughout the program. The value has to be fixed. In that case, we use constants. So constants are something whose value cannot change throughout the program. So how to define a constant in Java? So it is same as variable. The only difference is we need to add final keyword before our int number equal to 3. The final keyword tells the compiler that now its value cannot change. And now if we try to change the value of number, it will throw error. Now if we print the value of this constant, the output is going to be 3. So let's print it and check the output. So this is how we define constants. But there is one convention to follow while naming the constants. So usually all letters of the word for a constant are in capital. So this way it is easy to identify the constants. We'll be changing number to capital number. In this way we name constants. So similar to variables, we can use constants for addition, subtractions, etc. But we cannot store any result into it because its value should not change. So if you are declaring constants in some other class and using it in some other class, you can use static because you don't want to use objects to call constants. So in that scenario, you can make it static. So why use constants? Because constants in a way increase the performance, because JVM and also the application cache the value of constants to increase its performance because they are going to be fixed and not going to change. So this was about constants, guys. In the next video, we'll see some next concepts of Java. Until then, stay tuned and subscribe to our channel, and also like and share this video. Thank you.